Hi, I'm Akshata. I'm staff product manager working at Walmart. So I have over 17 plus years of experience in IT. I have played many roles, right from managing infrastructure projects to leading various operations team. We also led a huge automation team. During this period of running an automation team, we were trying to solve various types of problems that would reduce significant manual efforts, and that got me interested into the product space. I moved from my automation space into being into program in Walmart. And in Walmart, I saw various opportunities. We could enhance the process, build products, bring in a lot of savings. So that helped me transition into product, because the journey in Walmart moving into product has been one of the soul satisfying jobs that I've taken, because we not only solve problems at a process level, we also solve problems at people, customer, and various other aspects within Walmart. When I took up the role of a product manager at Walmart, there was a lot of self learning that I was doing. But I felt that it was not enough what I was doing. And that's where I stumbled upon the program, IPL program. So IPL broadened my thought process on how we can define a proper OKR, or how do we think about a problem statement and define a proper solution structure to the problem that we have. And not only that, it also helped me learn a lot from my batchmates who were already driving roles in product. We had some great assignments that we were working on, and the best part is it was more of a collaborative efforts within our batchmates. We formed our own cohesive groups and we worked on the projects. During this process, what I learned is how people think differently of a problem, or how do they solve a problem differently. That was a very great learning for me, because when you are put in a product, you cannot be focused on the way the problem is defined. You have to think from multi-angle perspective. And during this collaborative process, I learned a lot from my batchmates. And a second thing is, at so many points we were stuck in a project, and the best part is it was not competitive between teams. Each team was helping each other work on the projects and assignments. So I think it was a very interactive, although it was online. We felt it was a very interactive session, and we had a great time learning at IPL. If anyone is looking into getting into product management, the first and the foremost is to get a mentor. Learn under a mentor, because a mentor can be a great person who can lead you to getting into the whole product space. A mentor is someone who can give you the right guidance at the right time. And also, before you take the jump, you can assess yourself and know where you stand at, whether you're good at solving problem, because that is a very critical aspect for product managers. The second thing that I would give advice is define a very good problem statement, because once you have the good problem statement, 50% of your problem is solved, because you will have the idea how to solve it. It can be through defining initial short-term strategies and then working towards the long-term strategy. So having a good problem statement is very essential for any aspirants getting into product. The third aspect is product. Every product manager has never been successful at the first attempt. They fail, they learn, they reinvent themselves. The most important thing is to pivot when things are not working. Try and be more sensitive to when things are not going in the right manner, and take the right step towards the change to correct it. It's important to have a good mentor, defining good problem statement, and never be afraid to fail. But when you fail, learn when to change and turn things around. That is key to being a good product manager.